What's up everybody, it's Colin here, and in this video I'm going to show you around in the CPA Lead affiliate network. So once you are in the homepage of CPAlead.com, this is what you'll see. It's basically just an explanation about what they do, what they can offer you, as most platforms have. So they offer a big display ads, they say the kind of ads they offer you. They have over 100 affiliate products ready to be promoted. They do mobile monetization and they have specific offers for media buyers. So they give you like a little introduction of what you can expect from them. And as soon as you sign up, this is what the actual dashboard looks like. So once you're in the dashboard, you will have a complete overview of your earnings today, yesterday, the actual month, and your all-time earnings. On the right, you'll see your weekly performance, basically saying the geo, the earnings per click, and your total earnings. On the left is the network feed. So the actual offers being displayed there with their countries, the operating systems available for that offer, and the payout. If you go a little bit lower, there are the today's top offers, meaning the offers which on that day have had the highest conversions, amount of conversions. So when you look at the offers, it's like gaming, sweepstake, download. This is a network which really focuses on mobile traffic, so pop, but also a lot of content locking is available, and actually this platform helps you with creating content locks, which is quite unique. On the right, they have already created landing pages, so you don't have to create landing pages yourself, which is also quite interesting. So once you go to the top, you basically have a complete menu of full display where you can work with. So if you press on offers, you get to view all offers, which we're going to do in a bit, and you can get an offer API. Statistics is very detailed. You can filter by day, by hour, by country, by sub IDs, banner ads, the commission you get, the referral commission, any chargebacks which might happen. So they give you a complete overview, not only in one window, but in all kinds of separate different windows. Here you get the opportunity to create content lockers. So a file, a link locker, and a website locker, meaning a content locker, what it does is you offer a piece of unique content. If the person wants to access and download the content, for instance, either music or pictures or whatever, they have to do an action, and usually like a sweepstake submit or whatever. And as soon as they file the submit, you get the conversion and they get access to the content. You can create your own landing pages, you can browse pre-made pages, all pretty cool. And for banner ads, they have like the whole setup. Anything you might need regarding that is all included in this platform. You don't have to do it all yourself, which is pretty cool. You can create an offer wall, obviously the standard postback, your account settings, and if you need any help, you can press there. But we obviously want to check out the offers. So right now I'm in the offer dashboard, and as you can see, let's just scroll through it. So I filtered it on highest to lowest payout already. So it's tons of surveys, as you can see, a lot of US and other countries. Survey, mobile app. So there's a good mix of survey and mobile app, and survey would probably be like sweepstake kind of offers. As you can see, Fortnite bucks. This is probably some kind of pin submit or whatever. Win dominoes, win, like get 10% off. Health quotes. But you can see the payouts are pretty low already. So the top is like maybe 10 offers which have like a rather high payout. And if you go below that, they have like pretty low. And it's only like 110 offers, which is not that many. So yeah, that's like 110 offers, varying from like 2-cent payout all the way to €8.27. So this would be a very good platform to start off as a newbie, as they don't have that many offers, and they probably are willing to help you out a lot. When it comes down to one other interesting feature, it is actually what they call the reward section. So let me look it up real quick, how I came about the rewards. Yeah, here we go, rewards. So basically the reward section is some bonus points you can earn once you start earning some revenue. You can boost your points by earning these things. So for every dollar you earn, you get 1,000 points, which is pretty interesting. But the most interesting I thought was the lifetime reward. So basically this is all like for the point system. You get a cash bonus, but this. So you get 2 CPA Lead t-shirts, a trophy, a medallion and stickers. And once you go up, you get more stuff, right? So this is pretty cool. PlayStation 4 or a round trip, airfare and a VIP hotel, blah, blah, blah. So basically counting this back, if you get $1, 1,000 points for $1, you would need, well, in this scenario, I think $200,000, $100,000, 50K, 25K, 10K. So as soon as you earn 10K, you get like some nice extras. And for maybe a solopreneur, 10K is a lot of money, but for if you are an agency like I am, like 10K is nothing. We can push that in a day if we wanted to. But these kind of extras, they are funny. Like obviously I would focus on this thing, which is like pretty nice, like a trip to Vegas, have a nice VIP hotel. But if you can get a PlayStation 4, like I already have one, but you can give it to somebody else, or you can give it to one of your employees. I think that's pretty cool. So basically, I didn't find anything interesting in the offers, to be honest, but you might want to check them out for yourself because there are some good opportunities. But when I look at this bonus system, it's really cool. I really wish they had some more offers for me to focus on, because this is mainly tier 1, focused on the US, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. So those are not my favorite geos to run. However, there are some good opportunities in this network. So that was everything for CPA Lead. There's some more FAQ information. For instance, they give everybody weekly payouts, for instance, but there was not that much information available. So anything else regarding payouts, methods, I will link in the description, so you can have a read there what it is all about. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video.